and welcome back to the channel. I have another vegan lifestyle box to unbox and I'm so excited, although it's not very heavy, so I'm feeling like there's lots of crisps or airy packets in here, but I'm so excited. If you're new around here, hello, my name is Caroline and I post all types of videos on my channel, ranging from lifestyle, family stuff, toddler life stuff, food, recipes and unboxings. Yay! And if that interests you, please do hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you fancy it, follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my handle here. If you didn't know, The Vegan Kind is a supermarket. They're amazing for all your vegan goods. And also, you don't have to be vegan to buy from there. They do all kinds of things, especially if you have allergies as well. I highly recommend it. They do subscription boxes. They do a beauty subscription box and a lifestyle box. I'm not sure if this is true, but I saw an ad on Instagram yesterday which said if you type in FREEGAN, I'll put it down below, I think this is true, if you type in FREEGAN at the checkout you get a box for free. I just saw this as an ad on my Instagram. I don't know if this is true or not, but like I said, I'll leave all the information down below if you want to check it out. I've also just had a coffee, so excuse me for being a little bit frantic. Oh, there we go. It is currently 11 AM and I'm going to try everything that I get in this box. First of all, we have Extraordinaries roasted chicken and lemon flavour crisps. Oh, they look good. How do you say that? Extraordinaries. That's too complicated for me to say. I don't know how you say that. Oh, what is it, Walker's Sensations? Is that the right name for the crisps? You know, like the fancy roast chicken crisps you can get from Walker's, the fancy ones, not the regular roast chicken ones. They're not vegan. The regular roast chicken ones are, but the sensations ones, the ones you get in the big packet, they're not vegan. So if these taste like those, I'll be happy. Well, you're never going to know because I can't open it. I'm gonna give myself like a burst artery. What the hell? Put it that way then. I hate opening like that because you can't seal it properly. My lip. Right, well. Oh, they smell like roast chicken crisps. They are delicious. They are phenomenal. 10 out of 10, 100% recommend. Wow, I'll get that whole pack in one sitting. Oh, they're nice. Next thing is Pea Pops smoky barbecue. Pea Pops. I'm not the biggest fan of barbecue flavoured things. Made with real chickpeas. Okay, they look a bit like those pop chips that you get. They're not vegan, the barbecue flavour. I don't know why. Oh, I can open these ones to look like that. Oh, they're nice. Mm. Okay, so I'll say these, they smell like the Walker's barbecue crisps. They're quite light, but I still get the taste of chickpea underneath, which isn't awful, but it's not my favourite type thing. I prefer like the potato chips. I prefer potato chips over, saying chips like I'm American. I prefer potato crisps over, like, you know, you get those whole grain ones and pea ones. I prefer potato. If I'm going to eat crisps, I just want to eat the full fat ones. I don't need to worry about being healthier. These are nice. I don't know if I'd buy them again, simply because I could just get barbecue flavoured Walker's crisps. So yeah, they're alright. I guess if you want something a bit healthier, and they have got 21 grams of protein in and they're gluten free, so yeah, they're nice. Not my favourite. I'll have another one. It's the afterbeer. You're like, alright, I get it now. There's no flavour left. It just tastes like a chickpea. I give these a 5 out of 10. We've had 2 savouries. I would like something sweet now. I'm not looking, what is it? Oh. Yes. Love Raw cream wafer bar, salted caramel. This company, Love Raw, I cannot tell you how amazing these are. They do basically vegan Kinder Buenos, and they do them on the vegan supermarket. I bought them recently when I bought Ellis's, who's my son if you didn't know. I bought Ellis's vegan caterpillar cake from the vegan supermarket, and alongside the vegan caterpillar cake I bought some of the vegan Kinder Bueno by Love Raw, not this one exactly but the other one, and I bought 3 bars of them, and within 3 days I had to pace myself. I'd eaten them all because they're so good. I love Kinder Buenos, and I was so upset when I went vegan. That was the one thing that I was just like, I don't know how I'm going to survive without Kinder Buenos. Then Love Raw come on the scene, and here we go. This is a cream wafer salted caramel. Yeah. Oh, it's very melty. I did find that with the vegan Kinder Bueno actually. I did have to keep them in the fridge, which I don't keep chocolate in the fridge because it's very, very melty. Okay, I like it. It's not as good as the Kinder Bueno version though. I'm not getting much salted caramel in that at all. It just tastes a bit like, what is that flavour? Like creme brulee? No. I mean, it's nice, I will eat it. It's not my favourite though. I would, you know, I would happily buy it again. I'll give it an 8 out of 10. It's just not as good. I was expecting the Kinder Bueno, but it wasn't the Kinder Bueno. But I'm very glad I got another one of those though, because they're not too cheap, which isn't ideal. What's in the box? Ooh, the Cheeky Panda biodegradable bamboo handy wipes. This, just as a clarification, as it is a lifestyle box, it's not just snacks in there. You also get like house bits, beauty bits as well. I got some shower gel a couple of months ago. So you can get all types of things in here. 99% purified water with natural antibacterial agents, vegan, cruelty free, made from natural bamboo. Does that mean they biodegrade? How do you get rid of biodegradable things though? Is that compostable, or is that just you put it in the bin and it will just go in landfill or biodegrade in landfill? That's something I'm very confused by. It says the packaging is recyclable as well, which is one thing that I never understand about wipes that say they're biodegradable, because the packaging is plastic, so that's not biodegradable. Should we open it anyway? Ugh. To test, will it come free without issue? So we have, oh yeah, it did come out. I thought that was 2 wipes there. Smells like a wipe. Feels thicker. It's a wipe. I mean, I can't really judge wipes, to be honest. If you know the answer, please do let me know. What is the difference between biodegradable and non-biodegradable? If it all goes to landfill, does it mean the biodegradable stuff will just biodegrade? Will it actually biodegrade because it's all in landfill together in a big black bag? What difference does it make? Should it be better just to wash your hands in a sink? Anyway, that's my 2 pence. Next. Peaks Crunchy Chocolate Squares. Cookies and cream. Vegan, palm oil free, less sugar. Is it cereal? It's a biscuit snack. Let's try it. Looks like that. What is it? I don't understand this. Basically, essentially a Shreddies dipped in dark chocolate. But the chocolate isn't proper chocolate. It's quite rich. It's nice, but I wouldn't buy it. What's it for? What's the purpose of it? Is it meant to be a chocolate bar? What's the purpose of this? I thought it was cereal, but it doesn't look like it is cereal. Are you meant to put it with... It doesn't say you're meant to put it with milk. I don't understand what it is. It's nice. I'll eat it. I would eat it if someone offered them to me in the future. I'd take them. Not my favourite. What would I say? 6 out of 10? Maybe? I just don't understand the purpose of it. I find it a very like odd thing, just like little squares of chocolate just to eat like that. Yeah. Can't put my finger on what it is. Anyway, they're nice enough. Next thing. Oh. Scrumptious vegan dessert chocolate bar, rich in coconut, Miro, plant-based and delicious. I love me a vegan chocolate bar. So it is made of coconut milk. Oh, it's milk chocolate, it's milk chocolate. Please be nice, please be nice, please be nice, please be nice. Oh, it's very melty as well. Oh, got coconut in it. This tastes like the chocolate you get off a Bounty. I can definitely taste coconut. So if you don't like coconut, you won't like this. I feel like holding it for too long is going to melt it, so I'm going to put it down. That is very nice. I really like coconut. I like Bounties, so I really like that. But it does taste like the chocolate you get off a Bounty. So I can imagine not everyone would like that. I'm a fan. It melts properly, which is nice. I hate it sometimes. A lot of vegan chocolate don't have that melting power, so it's a lot more crunchy than I would like. Ooh, I like that chocolate. I'd say that's an 8 out of 10 because sometimes I can imagine the coconut might get a bit sickly after a while. But it's very nice chocolate. Ooh, the fact it's like melts in your mouth. Mmm. Next thing. We've got 2 more things left. What's this? Tribe Active Oats. Okay, so this is basically a porridge mixture. I'm not going to make this now, I'm afraid. But it's essentially pre-done porridge. It has apple, blueberry and pecan, and it's got 1 billion gut-friendly cultures and 10 grams of plant protein. Enjoy cold, add milk. Okay, and my final thing is Real Handful sea salt caramello fruit nut and seed protein bar, unruly flavour. Baked fruit nut. It's in like a paper packet. That's pretty cool. I want to eat a protein bar right now. Not particularly, but I'm gonna. Oh, is that packaging recyclable? I can't tell. It's like paper plastic. I can't tell. Oh, that is nice. Mmm. Oh, that is good. I'm not the biggest fan of protein bars. I always find them really stodgy. I think it's because like actual fruit and nuts and stuff, because sometimes protein bars I find a bit stodgy where they've like compressed things down into a bar and it's just a bit So this is actually really tasty. I wasn't expecting it to be nice. I was expecting this to be dry and claggy. So I'm very impressed with this. I would give this probably about a 9 out of 10. The reason I haven't given it 10 because I feel like it's sort of thing where I would eat it and then be hungry about 10 minutes later. Maybe not, but I just feel like these sort of things that they kind of leave me wanting more. So maybe if I had a layer of chocolate, that would be nicer. So yeah, that is everything in my box. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with this box. I will eat everything that we got. The only thing I was a bit confused about were the like shreddy chocolate things. Like I said, they're nice enough. I just don't really understand them. But either way, I'm pretty happy with everything I got in this box. I'm gonna eat everything. I'm gonna try not to eat all the chocolate in one sitting because that would be not so good. But these phenomenal. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you have liked this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Please do hit that subscribe button as well. It really makes me happy. And if you did want to try out the vegan lifestyle box or the beauty box, I'll leave a link to them down below. It's not an affiliate link, it's not an ad, nothing like that. Just if you fancy giving them a try. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!